Hi everyone, I welcome you to my scientist channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Avogadro software. Whether you are designing a new pharmaceutical drug or the studying the structure of protein, molecular visualization, Avogadro software provides an accessible way to explore the microscopic world that shapes our everyday life. So let's discuss about the Avogadro software. Introduction to Avogadro software. It is an open source and cross-platform molecular modeling software, and it is designed for also computational chemistry, molecular visualizing, and the structure editing. It is widely used by scientists, our researchers, and students for the building and analyzing and visualizing the molecular structure. Key features of Avogadro. User provides a user-friendly interfaces for constructing and manipulating the molecular structure easily. You can draw and you can manipulate how like to design. This is the easy software to designing a molecule, and it's a 3D molecular visualizing support all ballistic space filling and wireframe represent. There are other representations of 3D molecules, and there's also another key feature structure and allow user to add, delete, modify item and bond interactively. Means that you can modify at any stage a molecule, its bond length, whatever you like to modify. This is a easy software to let you edit, delete or modify the items or bonds in this. Force field optimization, it includes the energy minimization using force field like MMFFs and used to optimization molecular structure. And you will have to need the optimized molecular structure and its geometry. So it is a feasible in Avogadro. And we have to quantum chemistry support. There's also quantum chemistry interface with the computational chemistry software like Gaussian and GAMS and Orica for quantum mechanical calculations and file compatibility. Which type of files are being supported in Avogadro? Supports multiple format like PDB, XYZ, and MOL, and along easy to import export of molecular structure once you draw, or you can import from the camera, and you can import from the other software, and you can export this to Gaussians or other software that you will have to need. Plugins and extendability. So a future plugin system that allows user to add custom functionalities. Here you can use plugins and enhance the functionalities based on this software and based on user needs. And there's a cross platform support available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. This is present for all the Windows, Linux. That depends upon you user interface. Actually, how the Avogadro look like when you open, and what things will be open. So once you open it, and this interface will be open, and here you can change the model of molecule. Let's draw a molecule, and you can click here and like this depend, and the you can change the display tabs. We have axis. Let we have axis. You can have axis, ball and stick model, cartoon and dipole. We can show then okay forces. We can show hydrogen bound label. If you need labels, you can use labels, polygon, and we have also quantums ribbons. This is like ribbons. Let remove these labels, and we have can a ring if we have ring, and we have sticks, stick five frames, and we have simple sticks, removing this, and we can have surface if needed, and we can show the van der Waal forces. These are the van der Waal forces, and we can have a file. Now depends upon you, and you can add from here type of axis, label type, which type you would like to use, and then name. Even you can give it to name and description if needed. Other we have drawing settings, the atoms, which atom do you select. We have hydrogen, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, phosphorus, chlorine, bromine, and if a question can arise in mind that other one, so we have other options. So from here, any element you can select. Now this is the element, and I have selected osmium, and we can have other like chromium. We can use this zinc, chromium. Okay, then we can have a from here. This is the chromium atom. So this is the way, and we can have a bond order. It can be a single bond, we can have a double bond. So creating the double bonds between them. This is bond looks like. Let draw the axis and make it like just a fire sticks that remain better to understand. Okay, then we have these are the bonds. This is a double bond. We can have a triple bond and adjust the hydrogen. So it is the user interface where you can see the change how molecule is displayed as I shown you, and the duplicate, and you have a remove, and here we have changed the element, and we also change the bond on what is a single bond, double bond, and here draw the molecule as we have drawn the molecules. So we can have a saved file, then we can save it, we can import from this. So we have to open file. For the new file we have n, and for the open we can have a open, and open recent activity that you have done, and close and save as the file type, and import and export. So a large number of file types are supported as I mentioned before: cml, xyz, sdb, mol2, pdb. These are the file types that are being supported. So thank you for watching my videos. Keep like, subscribe. Thank you again.